Hey guys, welcome to my channel Creative Corner by Varsha. Today I am unboxing the Little Black Box 2022 Journal Cum Planner. This is from the brand called The Tall Elephant. I will share the link for this box in the description box and I will tell you more about this as we will move forward in our video. So let's first open this, and here we have this letter, and here are the items that you will find inside the black little box: planner cum journal, desktop calendar, self-reflection book, travel journal, dotted and plain notebook, postcard, sticker book, and special gift. So let's open the box, and don't forget to follow the Tall Elephant on IG. And look at this lovely packaging. I am doing a close-up here. And it's time to take all the things out. We have 7 packets here, organizing it so I can show you what's inside this packet. And opening the first one, and this is the sticker book. We have all the stickers you ever need. So let's see what's inside. We have so many stickers here, you can see, and we have flower shape, heart shape. And let's check this out. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Right now, you look perfect to me. So let's open the second one. And this is the special gift that was mentioned in the letter. And we have this pretty cards here. These are all the gentle reminder with such a beautiful printing. And let's check what is universe speaking to me. You are the sunshine, don't look any further. I want to try one more, so let's do it. And this one. You have totally got this. It's so much fun. I want to try one more. It's last. You are the greatest project you will ever work on. This is so nice and it feels really great to do this. Now let's move further. I have to open more packets also. And next we have this 2 little journal. The first one is a travel journal. First you have to fill your details here, and then I'm traveling to, packing, and so many to-do list you can enter here. And I will definitely gonna fill my 2022 travel memories here. And this is a self-reflection journal where I have to write things I'm grateful for, things I'm happy about, and this is very important exercise. Everyone should do this. Let's open the fourth one. And I'm excited to see what we have here. We have all these cards here, and to and from is written on the back of it. You can send these lovely cards to your loved ones. Let's open the fifth one and see what's inside this packet. And here we have this 2 little cute notebook. One is dotted and the second one is plain. Opening the sixth one, and I think it's a calendar. Yes, it's a calendar 2022. And we have this theme, you got this. And this is the January page, and we have a stand here. So this is definitely going on my desk. Now opening the hero of the black box, that is 2022 journal cum planner. And ta-da! Here it is. So let's open this. And first you have to fill your details. And as you open this, there is a lot of positivity here. And I am all this, yet I am not bound by any of this. So as you will move further, you will find so many pretty and positive things. Turning first, I have what I love about me. Look at this minimal background. Then we have recap of our 2021, where you can write all the positive things that have occurred in 2021. Then we have calendar 2022, one day at a time, where we can note the important dates. Calendar 2023 at a glance. The best time for new beginning is now. So let's start. Vision board. Then goals. And this page is very beautiful. Then we have books page, which is also very colorful. then memories, and I'm definitely gonna put some pictures here. This is the best page. Then movies, and you have so many details here. And I must say it is designed so precisely. You can see the color combination here, then all the little details they have embedded here, like the cover page. Then they have monthly planner, weekly planner, finance, habit tracker, happiness tracker, brainstorming, and so much more. Let me show you a glimpse. Look, the finance, meal, fitness. You can see all these things. Now I'm just flipping it for you. And at the end we have this cutouts, some more cutouts, and we can also write on the back of this. Like you can see, we can cut it from here, and on the back of this we have this lined paper, so we can write something. And we have some more cutouts, and then finance for December. And just see all the color combination and the small details they have embedded. So guys, I would definitely recommend you to make a journal for yourself in 2022. It's a very good habit to write a journal. It is really beautiful. What do you think about this? Let me know in the below comment section. Now let's see a recap of all the things we have in this black box. We have this 2 little journal, 2 notebooks, a sticker book, thank you card, and a calendar 2022 journal, and universe speak to you cards. These cards are really awesome. I'm in love with them. It is an amazing box. So it's time to order this. You can order this from their site www.tallelephant.com, or I'm sharing the link in the description box. You can order from that link and you will get 5% discount. You can also use my code VARSHA to get 5% discount. You can check other products on their website. It's totally worth buying. So guys, this is all about 2022 journal and the little black box, which is curated with so much of love and so many pretty little useful things. So guys, let me know in the below comment section what do you think about this little black box, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.